Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to withdraw funds from SoFi Invest. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and withdraw funds from SoFi Invest. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So basically what you need to do is first sell the stocks to or other securities you want to of course withdraw. The proceeds from the sale will appear in your account as withdrawable cash once the trade settles, which typically takes 1 business day. Then open the app, select the invest account you want to withdraw from, tap on the trade button at the top right corner, and then select withdraw. Then log into your account, of course, go to the invest section and click more followed by withdraw cash. Then choose the amount you want to withdraw, select the from and to account to transfer, and then click review to confirm the details. Submitting your withdrawal request, it usually takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to be transferred to your bank account. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.